Hello everyone. As we all know about coronavirus disease, it is the highly infectious disease caused by coronavirus. Like till now we know that no such vaccine for this disease has been discovered till now, but we all know that prevention is better than cure. So at least we can prevent ourselves from being exposed to such virus. We all know that this coronavirus spreads from the contact of the people when we come in direct contact with the people who is suffering from this disease. We ourselves get infected from such disastrous disease, coronavirus. Now we can take various steps for preventing ourselves from getting infected from such drastic or hazardous disease, I can say. First of all, we should avoid direct contact or with the people who are suffering from such kind of virus. We should cover our nose and mouth while coughing or sneezing, because we all know that while we sneeze or cough, our respiratory droplets spread in the air and get stuck to some material or the clothes of other person, and through those materials and through those clothes they can affect that other person also. So we should avoid direct contact with the people and cover our nose or mouth while coughing and sneezing. We can use the inside part of our elbow also if we are sneezing or coughing. We should avoid going outside in case it's very emergency. We should stay inside our home and avoid public areas. We should wear mask. Mask is mainly necessary for the person who are infected from such kind of disease or who are infected with coughing, sneezing, because masks are present in little bit of limited quantity. So mask is mainly necessary for the person who are infected from such disease. Now we can use the tissue paper while coughing and sneezing, but we should always dispose that tissue paper in the trash after using, and then wash our hands with soap and water or use sanitizer. We should clean our hands frequently with soap and water with at least 20 seconds, or after coughing and sneezing, or after coughing and coming from outside. We should frequently wash our hands with soap and water. And in case of soap and water are not available and we are outside, we should use the sanitizer and properly rub our hands with the sanitizer till it gets dried off. And the sanitizer should contain 60% of alcohol. We should clean and disinfect various materials which are frequently touched, which are frequently in contact with the human beings. We should clean and disinfect them regularly, like doorknobs, door handles, light switches, our phones. We should clean them regularly, and we should use soap and water, or we can use detergent also for cleaning the materials which can be washed. Like our PM Mr. Narendra Modi is also taking various steps for making us live longer and making our lives comfortable. We should also join our hands and unitedly fight against this disease, I can say. And we can together, if we will fight, we can together win against it. Thank you.